Want to turn on Nighguard on Opay but you're not sure how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how to turn on or activate Nighguard to secure your funds, especially at a set time frame at night. The first thing you do is open up your Opay app, then click on the Me icon at the bottom, scroll down to Security Center, tap on it, then tap on Transfer Protection. So it's a Nighguard, so you activate it. Now why we do this is because you might be worried about someone gaining unauthorized access to your account and funds while you are sleeping. That is why you need to activate Nighguard. Tap on it, and then you set the time frame. If you're okay with the one that's already set to leave, if you're not, click on the pen icon, set the time frame, click on confirm, click on the pen icon for end, set the time frame, click on confirm. Then here you've opened up face verification. Now transfers made within this time frame will require stricter verification before being completed, but only applies to transfers made on the Opay app. If your face verification fails, a different verification method will be used. If you agree to this, click on turn on. And then you verify your facial feature by clicking on verify. It will scan your face and complete the process of activating Nighguard. And that's all it takes to activate Nighguard on Opay. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel because we put up helpful tips and tricks like this ones every day. Thanks for watching.